Hey guys, I know many of you guys know me for my ride vibes, but I'm starting a new segment and I'm going to be calling it My Vibes. Here I'm just going to talk about a bunch of random things and just whatever's on my mind. This way I can talk more openly, and it's also a great way for you guys to get to know me better. That being said, I just want to talk about one question that I get all the time, and I mean all the time. Literally on a daily basis I get this question. And that question is, where did you get your backpack? So in this video, I'm going to share every single one that I have and where I got them from. Starting from the very beginning, we have the original one. I got this one way back when I first started riding. At the time, I was at a mall. One of the stores had it hanging on the wall, and when I put it on, I thought it was hilarious. Here's an actual picture from that day. I think it was 50 bucks or something. I don't really remember. I don't even remember who took it or who I was with, but point is, this was the first backpack. This one is really special to me because it pretty much started it all, and eventually Mototurtle was created because of it. Needless to say, this one is still my favorite one. Fast forward a few years later, I ended up finding the chrome one. I don't really remember if I got it off Amazon or eBay, but this was my second one and I really loved it because it had the opposite color scheme of the original. I believe this one was 50 bucks, maybe 40 bucks, I have no idea. The next one I got is the red one. This one I got when I lived in California for a few months. I came across it when I was using an app that was selling used items. Needless to say, I had to get it. I drove 45 minutes out of town just to go get it. It was actually really sweet. This little kid was trying to sell his backpack. So I asked the kid, how much did you want for it? And he's like, $30. And I said, I'll give you 10. And then he just looked at his dad and his dad was like, it's your backpack, you make a decision. Kid goes, 10 bucks, awesome. So yeah, kid was super happy. I was super happy. It was a good day. Really good day. For me especially. The next one I got a few months ago, and it's the, wait, holy guacamole, it's glowing one. I ordered this one off some random site for 60 bucks. To be honest, green isn't my favorite color. It's like literally my least favorite color, but I was still pumped to get another one. On the site, it didn't mention one important thing about it that makes it easily the most unique of all the backpacks. Okay, so if you grab a light and flash it towards the backpack, wait for it. Look, it's freaking glowing. It's glowing. It's a reflective material, and when the light hits it, it's just freaking blinding. Like, it's not even exaggerating. It's literally that bright. I'm really glad I got this one because it pairs perfectly with my light mode kit that my friend Thomas hooked me up with. So shout out to Thomas and light mode kits. The next one is the Galaxy one. I got this literally a few days ago on a site called Poshmark. It was used and it was selling for 45 bucks. I was stoked to come across it because last year I was on eBay and saw the exact same one for 100 bucks, and I almost bought it, but I didn't because I'm poor. This one is definitely out there. Not sure if I'll wear this one often, but I still think it's super dope. Last and not least, we got the, why the hell is this so freaking small one? I ordered this one from the same site as the Galaxy one, and it was 20 bucks. Shout out to my friend Candy for doing me a solid and going to the States to pick up the package. Alright, let's check out the goods. Alright. You scared me, man. What is this? Look how small it is. So small. This is like a backpack for Goku.
Wait, don't forget this.
What? Oh, Jesus! Jesus! I have no idea why in the world it's a mini version. In all the years that I've been hunting for them, I've never seen one before. Not sure if it's a knockoff or what. Doesn't matter though. It makes me laugh. Like, it's hilarious. I'm glad I have it. But yeah, that's all my backpacks. I currently have 6. Every few months or so, I'll go on the interwebs and search up Bowser backpack to see if anyone out there is selling any more used ones, and if it's within reason, I'll get it. Anywhoosies, I got 2 questions. Of all the backpacks that I have, which one is your favorite? And what else would you like to hear me talk about on My Vibes? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts or any suggestions that you might have. Besides that, I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Until next time, peace.